So it says access multi-dimensional arrays within indexes. One way to think of a multiple dimensional array is an array of arrays. So it's an array of arrays. When you use brackets to access your array, the first set of brackets refers to the entries in the outermost, the first level array. And each additional pair of brackets refers to the next level of entries inside. And it gives you an example. So this is equal to the last one, right? 1, 2, no, this one, 3. Am I confused? Oh wait, 0, 1, 2, 3. You have to remember to count from 0, so it would be equal to this. If you say you want the third value and the first, I don't understand this one. It says it equals to 10, 11, 12, so the third value would be this one. But then this 0, don't understand this part of it. Says no, there shouldn't be any spaces between the array name. Yes, told me this again. Let me understand this part. Let's the next, so this part, each additional pair of brackets refers to the next level of entries inside. So the entries inside. Oh, so this will refer to the actual what's it called, value, I guess, that you want to go for, starting from 0, and then the next one that you specify specifies how much values. What did it say? It specifies to each additional pair of refers to the next level of entries inside. So so how much you want to be added additional, you say 0 here, so that's why you have this in array, and usually it would give you this, but because you specified 0, it gets rid of this because you said you don't want no additional entries inside. Okay, so for this one you said you want the third one, which is this one again. Then you said you want 0 additions inside, so it will get rid of this, and then you said you want the first value, so it will be 0, 1. Okay, that one was a little bit more information, but okay, I got it. So it says using bracket notation, select an element from my array, such as my data is equal to 8. So it says select an element inside. So let's just go with only change below this code. So let's go with the first one. So 4, 5, 7. I mean 4, 5, 6, and then you want it to have 0 additions to it. But it says so that my data is equal to 8. So we have to find one that has 8 inside of it. So we have to go to the second one. So you want to do the second one actually, and then you want to pick 0, and then you want to have the second value inside of it, I think. Let's just run this test and see if that is what it wants. So it says no, my data should be equal to 8. You should be using bracket notation to read the correct value from my array. Am I not reading 0, 1, 2? That's the one we picked. Maybe let me just get rid of this. I think the last thing here might have been confusing me. Yeah, so that's what he wanted. So what was happening is, because I kind of worked out this last thing here, it kind of confused me for when I was doing the last thing. So what I did is I just picked the value I wanted to select, which was this one here, and then I wanted to specify what value I wanted, which was 8. So it's number 1, 0, 1. Right. Okay. Done.